How to reset the Bluetooth on your Gixxted wireless Bluetooth headset. This is a KH109M. You're going to want to do this if this is not connecting to your Bluetooth device or it keeps disconnecting, or you're having any kind of issues like that, or if you just want to have it forget what it was connected to so that you can go ahead and set this up like new. To do the reset, we're going to want to have it turned on. And if we come around here, we're going to see we have these indicator lights over here, and then we have these buttons over here on this side. We have the play button or the multifunction button here in the middle, and then up here we have this volume up button. So what we're going to do is we are going to hold, and this you shouldn't be on a call or anything like this. You're going to hold this play button, multifunction button, and the volume up button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds, you'll see this will flash. Right now it's in pairing mode, it's blue and red. It will flash purple, and it will also make an audible little dong dong. I'll try to be quiet to see if you can hear it. And then it will go automatically back into pairing mode, fully reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold this and this for 5 seconds, up, and then volume up and play. So we're gonna go like this, 1, 2, 3, go. So there you go. I don't know if you could hear, but it went doong, doong when that flashed purple. So anyways, hope this helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.